how my mom drives.
What's the problem?
All I can see is the big crack in the windshield.
Well, then do it above the crack.
Whoa.
Hold on. Okay.
I got it.
Hold on. Gotta go get the horses.
It's a rock.
Rock.
Lots of rock. Woo. Are those the stupid birds? Whoa. That was a pivot, wasn't it?
Yep.
Poor Jake in the background.
Okay, oh, this is a beautiful picture! Ugh.
Too bad. Well, you scared him off now.
There's a little one.
There's 20 there.
They should know the way. They know where we want them to go. So that's the stallion. Stand back. He's ready to fight if you need to. Look at him! He's out the window.
It would be so funny if I dropped this phone.
That would not be funny.
Brand new phone.
The poor little baby.
If I was driving, I told it.
This pivot. Oh, wrong way. Oh. It's supposed to go out that fence. Oh, there we go. I know the way. Do this twice a day for 5 years. And that's how you get wild horses off your field.
For 5 minutes.
The end.
Yeah. That's scary.